So, welcome. In this session, we will talk about some of the latest developments in higher education highly applicable for your 2025. Now, the topics that we would be discussing would be the new channel 31, which has been released as part of PM eVidya, the 85 new Kendriya Vidyalaya, 28 new Navodaya Vidyalayas, the new IITs, NITs, IKS centers being established, then the concept of One Nation, One Subscription, STARS scheme, PM Vidya Lakshmi scheme, Sakura Science program, 5 new classical languages and the criteria for considering any language as classical language, and the concept of bagless days under new education policy. So these would be the topics that we would discuss today. So to begin with, PM eVidya channel 31 has been released. Now this channel is in collaboration or in line with the Indian Sign Language, specifically targeted to people with hearing disabilities, and under the new education policy 2020 we have prioritized the idea of children with special needs. So children with special needs mainly pertaining to the 21 disabilities that have been cited under the Prashast app of NCRT. Now this app focuses on 21 major disabilities, of which hearing disabilities are some of the major disabilities, and this channel 31 is dedicated to people for hearing disabilities, and this is called as the Indian Sign Language channel. It would be a 24/7 channel which would be available. Then we would be focusing on the new list of KVs and Navodaya Vidyalayas in a short while as we move forward, but one very important development is One Nation, One Subscription. Now what is this? Major research institutes across India have been providing scholars with access to various journals, but each of these universities have to get the permissions and the access for each of these publishers and journals independently, which becomes really difficult for all the universities. So under this initiative, this would become a gold mine for knowledge, we could say, with top scholarly journals being available to students, faculties and researchers, which are nearly 1.8 crore scholars in India, along with researchers and faculties in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Mainly 30 major international journal publishers would be part of One Nation, One Subscription, and under this nearly 13,000 publications would be provided to nearly 6,300 higher educational institutions in India. Also, these journals would be coordinated through the UGC platform of InflipNet. Now, through this InflipNet, all the facilities would be provided under one umbrella, and a budget support of nearly 6,000 crore has been provided for next 3 years from 25 to 2027, and these would be providing assistance to help these subscriptions on board under one common platform, which would be highly useful for researchers and faculties working in the same direction. 10 bagless days concept has been introduced by NCRT, and this is under the new education policy for classes 6 to 8. The idea is students at this age group would learn the real ground skills of carpentry, gardening, pottery, artisans, and they would be exposed to stress-free environment for 10 days, and this has been an initiative to develop vocational skill and vocational platform.